I can't do it anymore. Hey guys!
Hey!
I'm Dan.
I'm Alan.
We are Big Guys Vape Reviews. We're in a exceptionally dorky mood tonight.
Dorky's okay sometimes.
Okay, today we have
More juice.
Junebug. This is on the Bird Daugz line by the wonderful people over at Vape Daugz. If you haven't visited them yet over on their website, check them out. It is VapeDaugz, DAUGZ.net. They are awesome, good people, still kind of a small business, kind of doing their thing right. They're a high premium e-liquid. They are the best of the best, and so far we haven't disliked a single thing they've sent us. So, tonight we're going to continue on with Junebug. This is, let's see, what do you got? Oh,
Let's start at the bottom.
a delicious tropical drink complete with Malibu rum. Ooh, we getting crunk, bruh!
What's that song? There's a song, Malibu Rum. There's something.
Oh, you're talking about 151 rum. Yeah. That. Yeah.
That's ICP, isn't it?
No.
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
He knows the song, but he don't know who's by. I knew the song too. Some of it.
That's Caribou Little.
Oh,
Wow.
smell good.
Very much good, yes.
Dude, if you don't stop, you knock you out.
Alan's ready! Okay. Hey. Wow. Somebody's bitchy.
Wow.
Okay. So, not gonna lie, when I smelled it, I kind of got a little afraid that it was gonna smell like Banana Boat, or taste like Banana Boat. And if anybody knows what that is a suntan lotion. I was a little afraid that they had gone a little bit too far on the coconutty goodness. But they didn't. God.
You definitely get that coconut flavor sitting in your mouth right after on the exhale.
First you get that sweet pineapple, then you get the coconut, and then you get that slight breathy rum, which is kind of impressive, actually, that they were even able to touch that note.
That tastes like rum.
Yeah, I mean, like there's a little bit of a breathy rum taste to it. It's kind of
surprising.
Yeah, like I'm kind of astounded that they hit that.
I do have to say, this is like the third or fourth juice we've done by this company. And I mean, there's some that I like more than the other, but there's nothing really bad that you can say about any of the juices from this company.
Thus far, I haven't disliked anything. I will say, now this is the fourth. Yes, four.
Yeah, I think it's
fourth.
Yeah.
Yes, it's definitely the fourth. The fourth juice that we've reviewed by these guys, and they have something. I don't know what it is. And we've discussed it, and nobody can really figure out what it is, but there is a very distinct flavor, like an after flavor, that every one of their juices has. I don't know what it is. I don't know what you guys are doing over there at Vape Daugz, but keep going, because you're hitting it. But there's this distinct little after flavor, like this little note of something that you can't really describe. Right at the bottom end of that flavor, right on the very end of your exhale. And you could blindfold me and I could tell you that it came from Vape Daugz. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty damn epic.
Yeah.
But it's definitely a signature thing of theirs. I'm almost thinking I want to call them and ask them what the hell it is, but they'd probably tell me to jump off a bridge or something. or send their goons to kill me or their dogs or something.
Yeah, they'll send a dog.
So I'm definitely taking another drippy drip of this. This is very tasty. One more. How much money you got in your pocket? That was insult! I am no quarter whore.
I got a nickel.
Damn. Wait, doesn't that make 30 cents?
Yeah.
I'm down.
Okay. 2 shiny coins, he'll do anything. Anything. I know your minds are thinking right now. Anything. Hey, what do you say after this? We review the Texas Pete that I got in the cabinet.
Texas Pete in a vape? No way!
Give you another quarter.
Oh my god! Just vape, bro.
Very good. Very
yes,
good.
Very good. Again, just not overly sweet. I know that I talk about it a lot, but I've heard a lot of complaints about people like, oh, that juice is too sweet. I can't do it. It's just too sweet. So I try to like let that be known in our videos about the juice, that if it's too sweet, or if I think that the sweet complainers are gonna complain about it, I'll let you know. There's nothing there so far is too sweet.
And the nicotine that they use too. I mean, don't get me wrong. I know some of you guys may vape at a 0, but a lot of people are using vaping to quit smoking. All these juices that were sent to us at a 3 milligram for nic. And it's not a harsh nicotine. Right. I know some of them juices you get, you go to hit it and it's like a punch to the back of the lungs. This is a very smooth nicotine. Dude, I'm trying to talk.
With an accident?
They care about what I have to say. They do.
Sure, I know. Any Hoosers, I'm Dan.
I'm Alan.
And we are Big Guys Vape Reviews.
And we out.